Kento, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. Describe this. This is three volumes of the Dom's Guide to BDSM.
Selling first edition Matthew Lorococo, Dom's Guide to BDSM, rare, super rare, $300 OBO each. Only selling complete set. Only selling complete set. Okay. Ignore the rest of this paragraph. Yamaha, Honda, synthesizers, MacBook Pro, M1, M3, M-Chip, Pro X, XLR. Okay, my wife did not like this book series. It did not work, but it might work for you. I will meet at Panera Bread only. No Starbucks. Starbucks lets people pee, and I disagree with that. That's the poster, not me. Back to poster. I have a lot of feelings about the BDSM. I like the S part, not the M part. $300 or best offer.
DIY or die. 50 seconds to go through and decorate these items to sell. Kento. Yeah, let's hear it for Kento. Let's hear it for Kento.
Hello, judges. I am the CEO of Electro Home Alarm Devices, and we come to you with version 2 of our best-selling product. Hey, look at the time on the wall and on your alarm clock. This is a projector that projects the time when you have to wake up. But we got some user feedback saying that it is depressing as it is having to wake up on time. And when the only reminder of the depressing fact that it is 7:55 and you had a midnight shift last night, but you still need to wake up and make and cover for Matt because Matt never makes it to brunch. Anyway. It's depressing enough to figure that out on the wall and on the screen. So, we at the R&D department of Electro Home have come up with a solution which has affirmations on the alarm clock. So, let me take you along the ride of simulation. I'm sleeping. Matt just called in, gave you the text, and now you have to take the 8 a.m. shift at the Smith on near Lincoln Center. Okay, and I wake up. Oh, crap, it's 7:55. What? You are worthy.
Aww.
Me? I'm worthy? Oh, my goodness. I'm going to hit snooze. Beep, beep, beep. I'm definitely going to be late, but God, seize the day. What? But I should get going. Man, I gotta wait a minute. It says I love you.
Aww.
Thank you, past me. I love you too. I'll do it for you today.
Wow. Thanks, Kento. Good show. Also, what core strength? Wow. Our next game is called First Date Curse Date. The way that this works is it's the dating game, all right? So contestants are all gonna come up and stand in a line, and you're gonna improvise as the objects. You're all competing for a date with the judges. Our judges will each ask one question that all 5 of you will answer, playing the characters of these weird items we found on Marketplace. Okay, got it. You are a mean cat that bites you. Okay, Zach, what would you like to ask the mean cat that bites you on a date?
I know this goes... One.
Okay.
I will still ask the question.
Kento commits 100%.
Okay, my question is, did you read that Dom book? That Dom book from before? Oh yeah, that's a 5, baby. I I love being a sub. I love being a sub. I love being lied to. I'm toxic. Remember that.
Ashley.
Could you knock something else off the table?
Oh my God, he's so cute.
So cute. Wow. Ashley, what's your score? Again with the core strength. Goodness.
5.
5. Oh! Thank you, Kento. I'll take the masking tape. Thank you.
Yeah.
Presenting the king of shit. Drum roll. Is Kento! Here's your hat. Here's the scepter. I'm going to get your crown. I have to get the cape now. Okay. Wait. Don't leave it.
Throw garbage at him. Throw garbage at them.
Kento! Kento, I have a cape for you! Kento, I have a cape for you too! A cape!
If Kento is next to you, throw garbage at Kento.
There we go. Yes! The king of shit! Okay. Oh, yeah, there was, whoa. We did have the Oscar the Grouch song too. But you can go home and listen to that on your own. Kento, do you have any words to say as the new reigning king of shit?
One man's shit is another one's treasure. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.